My name is Marina Lamar, and as you can see, this is my database access table for a children's lending library for my assignment 3. It's a rough guess. As you can see, I've entered in most of the fields because I've recorded this multiple times, and something's been wrong each time with me trying to record it. So I'll just flip through the fields and let you see what I've done so that you can see if there are any errors. And as you can see, the authors field is correct. The contributors field we wanted to include because in case there was an illustrator or secondary author, we wanted to be able to have that field available for use. We also have our title field, and as well as a language field that would allow us to see what languages books came in for our lending library. We have the date and time format set up as well. This is Microsoft Access 2010, but all of the tables are saved in Microsoft 2007. As far as I can tell, the only difference between the two is that Microsoft 2010 Access 2010 seems to be a little clearer in what it's trying to get across. But basically the entry points are the same. We have an intended lesson because we have a sharing lending library as well. So we wanted to have the ability for teachers to look up books like books on oranges or books on sharing or books on specific items like summer or ice cream or whatever, just so they would have that flexibility. So we index that so that we would know. We also have a yes/no field for bilinguals and index that as well so that we would know what books we have in the library that are bilingual and how we can access them. I shall switch it over to other one. It'll always ask me to save it. As you can see, I've entered in some data values anyway. This is our data value for the book we're working on currently. And I've already entered in some of the data. I will have to enter in another data field. Just so you can see. You can go over there. We don't have a contributor. I don't know. Horton finds a who. I'm just making this up as I go along, obviously. It's been a long time since I've had children around me. I don't have any myself. And I'm going to make up a date here just because it needs a date field. And I don't know which one that would be. So I'm going to put some things in. And there seems to be a caps lock on, so I'm going to fix that. We're going to say that's also on loan. But as you can see, we have a few entry points here from which to work with for our patrons and our librarian staff as well. Thank you for your time. Bye-bye.